Hello people, so today we will talk about Instagram application and the way we can avoid someone else content by use mute feature. So here is the tutorial. Open your Instagram application. So sometimes we follow someone some idols that probably in a day they will like uploading more than 1-2 content so that they can like distract the rest of the content of our friends. So you can manage this by uh, avoid the several contents of your idols. You just need to go click this share button here, and then you just need to type the account name of your idol. So here I already put one, and then if you want to mute this account, you just need to go click this following sections, and there will be a mute option for the third line here. Just go click it, and then you just need to pick which type of content that you want to mute. If you only want to mute the post, you just need to turn on the post only. But then if you want to mute the stories, so you don't want to receive any stories from this account, you just need to go click the stories only and leave the rest of here. So that is the way how to mute someone else's Instagram account. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.